welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another self-care routine, but this routine is a holiday or Christmas shower routine. So I'm hopping into the shower and I'm starting with a shampoo. The one I have recently started using is the Tresemme sulfate free shampoo to clean my scalp today, and once I'm done shampooing my hair, I am going in with a hair mask from Dove instead of a conditioner today. I love this hair mask. It smells so good and leaves my hair so soft and smooth. Then I'm using the Dove's Cranberry Body Wash, and I love this. It smells so good. It's super moisturizing to the skin and gives me those Christmassy vibes. Now I know it's hard to find here, so I'll be posting a picture of the shop from where I got this from. By the way, I got this from Kolaba. For my body scrub today, I honestly did not like the one I picked up, so I decided to DIY a body scrub, and I am so glad that I did that. So I went in with half cup mashed strawberries, 1.5 cups of sugar, 4 tablespoons olive oil, and 10 drops of strawberry extract, and 1 tablespoon of honey. This is a strawberry body scrub and it is so easy to make, and it leaves my skin feeling so soft and smooth. This is one of my favorite body scrubs that I have made so far. It feels really nice on my skin. It smells so amazing. It smells like fruity, Christmassy strawberry since we added the strawberry extract. I really enjoy using this during the holiday season. It makes me feel so cozy and in the season. And then for my post-shower body care, I am going in with the rose body oil. I really like this one. It doesn't leave my skin greasy at all. It smells like rose and it's just perfect. Then I'm going in with the Winter Candy Apple body lotion from Bath & Body Works, and this packaging is just so Christmassy. I mean, just look at it. It smells so good, so Christmassy. If you enjoy scents like cinnamon and red apple, you will love this one, so go get your hands on it. Moving on to skincare, I thought since it's the strawberry season, I thought let's DIY a face mask. So I made a strawberry face mask. So for this face mask, I went ahead with 2 to 3 strawberries. I think I went ahead with 2. 1 tablespoon of cream and 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, and I'm just gonna blend that all together so that I get a fine consistency. Alright, so let me tell you that strawberries are so great for your skin. They are so rich in nutrients and antioxidants. They just help to nourish, repair and brighten the skin. So I'm going to apply this all over my face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. It definitely left my skin feeling smooth and soft. Then I'm going in with the COSRX BHA Blackhead Liquid. I'm going in with 2 pumps and applying this all over evenly. This is a fragrance-free product and I put this on like twice a week. This product is so good for whiteheads and blackheads. I recently started with this, so I'll give it some more time. And then I'm going to moisturize my skin using one of my favorites, Sunjung's gel. I honestly love this gel. I love applying this on my skin. My skin feels so good after applying this. And for my body mist today, I am using You're the One from Bath and Body Works. I am obsessed with this fragrance, you guys. It's so long lasting and smells so good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this short little Christmas shower routine. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.